First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure that we have Xcode installed and brew. If you don't have, make sure you have those two components installed. The way you do it is just checking the version, not Verizon. Next, we're gonna add the Mongo tab. It's brew tab Mongo. We're gonna update our brew repository, and we're gonna install the Mongo community version using the brew install command. After you have installed the MongoDB, let's start the service. The command is brew services start in MongoDB community edition at 4.2. Now let's check if the service is up and running. The way you do it is just brew services list, and this will give you a list of all the services running by brew with their status, and we can see that Mongo it's up and running. Next thing we want to do, let's install Studio 3T. This will allow us to query our MongoDB database using a UI. So download and open once it's downloaded. Drag it onto your application folder and now open the application, Studio 3T. You have to read through it very carefully. Press next, and I'll use the shell-centric UI in my case. Proceed, and then press next, and now you have to sign in into your account. After you sign in, just type in your username and next. All right, what we're going to do next, let's set up a connection. So let's do a manual configuration of the connection setting. Press next. Since we started on local, we're going to call it local MongoDB. We're going to leave everything as it is, test the connection, and we can see everything is green, and save. Connect to the database, and let's run a select query in one of the collections. So we can see we have default one startup log. So if you say click on yes to execute the query, you can see that we get the results back.